You're broke, struggling to make ends meet, and wondering if you can ever turn your financial situation around. But deep down, you know you're capable of much more. You have big dreams and are determined to make them a reality. That's where these 15 books come in. Each is packed with powerful insights, proven strategies, and real-world examples of people who have gone from rags to riches. They'll show you how to think like a millionaire, build a business that generates massive wealth, and make smart investments that will pay off for years to come. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or just starting your financial journey, these books are an absolute must-read. Welcome to Investing Alpha. Get ready to be inspired, motivated, and transformed as we dive into the 15 books that will take you from zero to $1 million. Number 1. Naval Ravikont is a genius when it comes to business and life. We're huge fans of his, and he's one of our most respected mentors. Lucky for us, he's compiled his most brilliant insights into one incredible resource, the Almanac of Naval Ravikont, and it's absolutely free. You can download it now at navalmanac.com. It is a game changer. Trust us, we've searched high and low and there's no better starting point than this. Don't miss out on the opportunity to learn from one of the greatest thinkers of our time. Number 2. If you're looking for a book that will completely revolutionize the way you think about money, look no further than The Richest Man in Babylon. This book is an absolute must-read for beginners and young adults alike. It's packed with powerful lessons that will put your finances into crystal clear focus. The best part? It's a quick read that's easy to understand even if you're not an avid reader. And with such a small price tag, the value you'll get from it is immeasurable. If you're ready to break free from financial slavery, pick up this book today. Number 3. Whoever said you need a boatload of cash to start a successful business clearly hasn't read The $100 Startup. This book is a game changer for anyone looking to build a $1 million business on a shoestring budget. It's packed with real-life examples of entrepreneurs who started with less than $100 and turned them into thriving businesses. This book isn't just about copying their business models, although you totally could. It's about seeing what's possible with limited resources and using that knowledge to fuel your success. Number 4. If you're looking for a book that will ignite your entrepreneurial spirit and inspire you to think outside the box, then Losing My Virginity is an absolute must-read. Richard Branson, the mastermind behind the Virgin Group's 400-plus companies, started from scratch and built an empire based on his personal needs and desires. This book is more than just a biography. It's a roadmap to success. It will take you on a thrilling journey of lessons on identifying opportunities and thinking like a true entrepreneur. Number 5. Are you tired of reading the same old finance books that promise riches if you just give up your daily latte? Then get ready for a refreshing change of pace with the Millionaire Fastlane. This book doesn't sugarcoat the truth. If you want to get rich quick, you need to think big and build a business that grows exponentially. No more penny pinching or playing it safe with mutual funds. This book will show you the power of capital gains and the potential for massive wealth. Number 6. You asked for it and here it is. Rich Dad, Poor Dad. This book is the ultimate guide to achieving financial freedom through passive income, and it's a must-read for anyone who wants to build wealth. No more grinding away at a 9-to-5 job. This book will show you how to work smarter, not harder. You can finally achieve true financial freedom by figuring out how much you need to maintain your desired lifestyle and creating enough passive income to cover those costs. Number 7. Whether you're a fan or not, Grant Cardone's 10 times rule is an absolute game changer. It's a powerful motivator that challenges you to set bigger goals and take massive actions. We make sure to revisit it at least once a year to pump ourselves up and gear up for the kind of effort it takes to crush our targets. In fact, we've got an active Audible subscription just to keep this audiobook on repeat. Trust us, this is the kind of book that can transform your mindset and push you to new heights of success. Number 8. Are you tired of working long hours every day just to make a living? Do you dream of having more time to enjoy the things you love? Then you need to read The 4-Hour Workweek. This book changed the game and allowed us to build a location-independent business. Imagine traveling the world while still crushing your business goals. The lessons in this book will show you how to build the right systems and create more freedom in your life. Trust us, once you experience this level of freedom, you'll never want to return to the corporate grind. Number 9. How to win friends and influence people is the ultimate guide to building strong relationships and earning trust. If you want to be someone people enjoy spending time with, this book is a must-read. It teaches the fundamental principles of effective communication, persuasion, and influence. Whether you're in sales or management or simply want to improve your social skills, this book will teach you how to build connections that last a lifetime. Get ready to transform your personal and professional life with this timeless classic. Number 10. Looking for a financial book to turn your life around? Look no further than the Total Money Makeover. If you're struggling with debt and need to get back on track, Ramsey's no-nonsense advice will show you the way forward. His actionable tips and strategies will help you regain control of your finances so you can finally achieve financial freedom. Don't let debt hold you back any longer. Grab this book for just $11 and start your journey to a brighter financial future. Number 11. Atomic Habits is a must-read for anyone who wants to achieve greatness but feels stuck in their daily routine. Whether you're struggling with procrastination or just looking for ways to improve your life, this book will teach you how to build small but powerful habits that will get you to where you want to be. With practical tips and engaging stories, you'll learn how to create routines that will help you reach your goals one step at a time. It's time to stop making excuses and start making progress with Atomic Habits. Number 12. The E-Myth Revisited is a must-read for anyone with a skill they want to turn into a successful business. It's a guide that will teach you how to avoid common mistakes and prevent burnout. Most businesses fail in their first year due to lack of preparation. This book provides the essential knowledge to help you succeed. You'll learn how to create a business that can operate without you and how to manage your time efficiently. Don't risk becoming trapped in your own company. Get a copy of this book and start building a thriving business today. Number 13. Looking to build a startup that actually works? If you're all about numbers and data, then The Lean Startup is your ultimate guide. It's not your typical business book as it's more technical, but it offers invaluable insights on how to optimize your startup for success. With a rapidly evolving startup scene, this book will give you a leg up, especially if you're applying traditional tech principles to Web3. If you're serious about making it as an entrepreneur, The Lean Startup is the book you can't afford to miss. Number 14. For those who want to take their business to the next level, The Hard Things About Hard Things is the perfect follow-up to The Lean Startup. These two books make a dynamic duo, especially for those in the technology and internet industries. As a CEO of a growing company, you need this book by your side. Horowitz's blunt honesty about the challenges of being a CEO will help you increase your chances of success. He's the kind of billionaire we all aspire to be. Buy it, read it, and learn from it. Number 15. Money Master the Game is an essential read for those who want to turn their $0 balance into a million, while getting to $100,000 or $200,000 is a significant achievement. Reaching the $1 million mark requires a different level of financial understanding. Robin's book is a fantastic guide for anyone looking to create a long-term investment strategy and secure their financial future. We know that some people are still drawn to get-rich-quick schemes, but we assure you that these 15 books costing less than $300 in total will provide more valuable insights than any of those snake oil salesman's courses. Don't fall for the scams. Invest in yourself and your financial future. And there you have it, folks. 15 books that will transform your financial journey from $0 to $1 million. Remember, reading is the key to unlocking a wealth of knowledge, and these 15 books will help you build a solid foundation for your financial future. So if you're ready to go from $0 to $1 million, hit that like button. Leave a comment below on which book you're most excited to read, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content that will help you achieve your financial dreams. Thank you for watching, and who knows, maybe one day we'll be featuring your success story in our next video.